What up, Smokin Riderz? K9 here with unboxing. Finally got it in. My magnetic dipstick from Figurati Designs. Let's see what this thing looks like. I know you guys are probably all familiar with the Figurati Designs products. They do dipsticks and the docking hardware covers and cam covers and everything like that. So here it is. Came in a nice box, nice case. It's got their logo on it. This thing is pretty heavy. So far it looks like it's well constructed. Got the Figurati Designs wording on it. That is my logo right there. The logo was actually etched in there by, I believe his name is Michael Shea of Guns and Guns LLC. He does the etching for Figurati. Good work. It's nice work. I'm pretty pleased with it so far. We'll see how it performs once it's in the bike. Well, it just stuck to the box there. But it is a magnetic dipstick, so it'll grab all those oil shavings and motor shavings and everything, collect all that gunk, and you'll be able to wipe it off and clean it off. But very nice. Nicely done. I like it. Shout out to Carrie, Figurati Designs. Thanks, man. Looks good. And as always, you know what it is. Smoke 'em if you got 'em.